Why does your scanner show the P0833 engine code? What does it mean? P0833 is a diagnostic trouble code for clutch pedal switch B circuit. The P0833 engine code indicates your vehicle's Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detected a malfunction, irregular voltage, or open circuit in the clutch pedal position monitoring circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty clutch position sensor, damaged or corroded wiring, broken or missing rubber stoppers, bad secondary air injection pump, clutch hydraulic issues or misalignment. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Chevrolet, Ford, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.